Now Lord Vishnu reveals his plan to Aditi. Okay. Sri Shukla Uvacha Adityaivam स्तुतो राजन् भगवान् पुष्करेक्षणः क्षेत्रज्ञः सर्वभूतानां इति होवाच भारत. Sri Shukla Uvacha, Sri Shukdev Goswami said, Aditya by Aditi evam thus Vistutha being worshipped Rajan, O King Maharaj Parikshit, Bhagwan, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Pushkar Ikshana, whose eyes are like lotus flowers. Okay, whose eyes are like lotus flower, Kshetrajna, the super soul, Sarva Bhutanam, all living entities, iti thus, indeed, Uvacha, replied Bharata, O best of the Bharat dynasty. Translation. Sukha Goswami said, O King Parikshit, best of the Bharat dynasty, when the lotus-eyed Lord, the super soul of all living entities, was thus worshipped by Aditi, he replied as follows. Okay. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Dev Matar Bhavatya me Vigyatam Chirkanchitam Yat Sapatneir Hrita Shrinam Chyavitanam Pradhamata. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha, the Supreme Personality of Godhead said, Dev Mata, O Mother of the demigods, Bhavatayaha, of you, may by me Vigyatam understood Chirakanchitam, what you have desired for a long time. Yet, because Saptanai by the rivals, Hrit Srinam of your sons who are bereft of all opulences, Chavitanam banquet Swadhamna from their residential quarters. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, O Mother of the demigods, I have already understood your long cherished desire for the welfare of your sons. I have already understood. Who have been deprived of all opulences and driven from their residence by their enemies. So the Supreme Personality of Godhead being situated in everyone's heart. So that Krishna in the form of Paramatma lives in the heart and especially in the hearts of the devotee and feels that. So he's already ready to help devotees in adversity. Krishna says, I am staying in the heart of devotees. Since knows everything, he knows how things are to be adjusted and he does the needful to relieve the suffering of. Okay. So we can ask Krishna sometime if there is some difficulty in practicing our devotion. So we can ask Krishna. Many people ask Krishna for help, but Krishna will help for sure. But he may help in his own style. Sometimes we think, oh Krishna, please help me and do this. So Krishna knows if you do this, it's not actually help because he knows future long also. If he whatever you are asking, if he gives, for time being it may be nice, but later on it is going to give a big problem to you. That Krishna knows. So being merciful, he will not give that. We will say what it is. Krishna will help, but his style will be different. He may not help. Help will come, but may not be the way we are expecting. So here one may expect, oh Krishna, why he can't just kill Bali or like this, that, or maybe. But Krishna will do their his own way, the way he wants. So he's going to tell the plan how I want this time. Tanvi nirjit samare, Tanvir nirjitya samare, Durmadan surashavan, Pradilabdha jay Shri vi putre vichasyu Vasitum Tan, them Vinirjita defeating Samara in the fight. Durmadan, puffed up by strength, Asur Rishbhan, the leaders of the demons, Pratilabdha, getting back Jaya, victory, Shrivi, as well as the opulence, Putrai. With your sons Ichasi, you are desiring Upasitum to come together and worship me. O Devi, O goddess, I can understand that you want to regain your sons and be together with them to worship me. after defeating the enemies in battle and retrieving your abode and opulences. Okay, Krishna is saying, I know that you are you want that your sons should regain their kingdom and together with them to worship me. You want to worship me together with your sons. इंद्रज्येष्ठै स्वतन्यैरै हतानां युधि विद्विषां स्त्रियो रुदन्ति रासाद्य द्रष्टुम इच्छति दुखिता. Indrajeshtai, person of whom King Indra is the eldest, Swatanei, by your own sons, Hatanam, who are killed Yudhi in the fight with Visam of the enemies, Striya, the wives, Rutanti, lamenting, Asadya, coming near the dead bodies of their husband, Drashtum Ichasi, you want to see, Dukhita, very much agree. You want to see the wives of the demons lamenting for the death of their husbands when those demons, the enemies of your sons, are killed in battle by the demigods, of whom Indra is the chief. That's what you want. That when your sons, Devatas, will kill the demons, and then the demons' wives will lament. You want to see that? Atma janasu samadhans tvam pratyahrit yashasriya nakapristam nishtaya kridato drishtam. Atmajan, your own son, Su Samriddhan, completely opulent. Tom, you Pratyaharit, having received back Yasa, reputation, Shriya, witness, Nag, Krishna, the heavenly kingdom, Adhishtaya, situated leader, Ta, enjoying their life. Dastum to see, Ichasi, you are designing. You want your sons to regain their lost reputation and opulence and live again on their heavenly planet as usual. Krishna say, I know everything, the whole thing, I know what you want. Prayo dhunate surayuthanatha aparaniya iti devi mimatihi yatte nukuleshwara vipragupta na vikramasthatra sukham dadati. Praya, almost aduna, at the present moment, they, all of them, Asura Yuthanatha, the chief of the demons, Aparaniya, unconquerable, Ititas Devi, O Mother Aditi, may my Mati opinion get because they all the demons. Anukula Ishwar Vipragupta, protected by Brahmins, by whose favor the supreme controller is always present. Na, not Vikrama, the use of power, Tatra, there, Sukham happiness Dati can give. O Mother of the demigods, in my opinion, almost all the chiefs of the demons are now unconquerable. Now he's saying, I know what you want, but now listen. Actually, at present situation, all the demons are unconquerable. Why? Or they are being protected by Brahmanas. I cannot win. I'm Namo Brahman Devaya, go Brahman Hitaya. And now these demons are protected by Brahmanas, to whom the Supreme Lord always favors. Brahmana, go Brahmana Hitaya. So thus the use of power against them now will not at all be a source of. So even though we use some power, because demons are now protected by Brahmanas. You see, Bali Maharaj has done this kind of. So it is very difficult, and it will surely it will not bring happiness. So when a person is favored by Brahmanas and Vaishnavas, no one can defeat him. Even the Supreme Personality of Godhead does not interfere when one is protected by a Brahman. So that's why we have to pray and request to Brahmins and Vaishnavas, please pray for us. Because if we get a favor of Vaishnavas, we are safe. So we should go and serve Vaishnavas. Ask for service, please. Give me some service and give me your blessing and favor. Because it is the ultimate protection, favor of Brahmin and Vaishnava. Because even Krishna will not do anything. Oh, he's my devotee. Okay, that is why even Lord Ram, before killing Ravana, he just as etiquette, he asked permission from Lord Shiva. You are my devotee, and Ravana is your devotee. You are giving him boon and protection. But today, and now it is a limit. I must kill him. So don't feel bad. Just give your permission. So Krishna loves his devotee so much. So difficult. So because Ravana is now stealing mother only. Uh, So even Lord Shiva will not like this thing. Na? So just an etiquette that how much I respect my devotees. Just to show that he, Krishna, Lord Ram, he worshipped Lord Shiva. See, I'm taking a permission. You are my dear because Krishna is cannot do anything. He takes permission from Vaishnavas. You are my devotees because of you. I am there like that. And so much respect Krishna is giving to Vaishnavas. So it is said, even the Supreme Personality of Godhead does not interfere when the one is protected by a Brahman. It is said, Go Brahman Hitaicha. The Lord's first inclination is to give all benediction to the cows and Brahmanas. Very dear. Cow and Brahmanas are very dear to Krishna. Krishna can never tolerate any difficulties given to them. That is why when nowadays so much cow killing is happening. That is why Krishna now people are saying, "Are this much trouble, this much misery, epidemic, this that." Why God is not helping? Are you following God's rule? God said no killing of cow. God loves cow. Krishna loves cow. He does not want. And if you kill cow, that place will become hell. No mercy. There is no mercy, then no mercy. So you are doing it. People are saying how Krishna is not helping. Arey Baba, you are killing Krishna's most dear one, and you are expecting help from him. What is this? Therefore, if Brahmanas favor someone, the Lord does not interfere, nor interfere with the happiness of someone. Krishna loves cow and Brahmana so much. Even if Brahmana Vaishnava says that, uh, leave him, Krishna will forgive. Okay. And cow gives protection. If somebody is protecting cows, Krishna loves that person very much. And cow says something, Krishna will see. Even Indra did such an offense by putting torrents of rain on Brajavasis, and then Krishna left it Govardhan and protected everybody. That all pastime is there. But after that, what happened? Krishna Indra understood the position of Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. He was feeling, I did such an offense. Now, how to ask forgiveness? Because I did such a nasty thing. I cannot go even in front of Krishna and ask forgiveness. So bad activity I did. So he took shelter of a cow, Surabhi cow, and he requested cow, can you please recommend me in front of Krishna? So Indra, he was hiding behind Surabhi cow, and Surabhi cow went to Krishna and said, "Arey, small fellow, please forgive him." Krishna said, "Because you are saying I am forgetting, I am giving forgiveness." So Krishna loves cow and Brahmanas. Namo Brahmadeva, go Brahman Hitaya. Therefore, if Brahmanas favor someone, the Lord does not interfere, nor can anyone interfere with the happiness of such a person. Athapyupayo mama devi chintaya santoshitasya prachareyate mamarchanam narahti gantumanyatha sraddhanurupam hetukatva. Atha therefore, api in spite of this situation, Vaya some means mama by Devi, O goddess, Chintaya must be considered Santoshitasya, very pleased, Vratachareya, observing the vote by you, Mama Archan, worship. Ina never arrived with a Santum, Anyata, to become otherwise, Sraddha, Anurupam, according to one's faith and devotion, Phala of the result, Hetu Katvat from being the God. Okay, so Krishna is saying, even though now it is very difficult to conquer them, they are protected by Brahmanas. So, yet, don't worry. When Aditi may start thinking, you are only saying that they are unconquerable. I want that they should be conquered by my son. So Krishna say, I know that you want that your son should conquer the demons. But this moment they are unconquerable. Why? Because they are protected by Brahmanas. And Brahmanas are directly favored by Supreme God, that is me only. Yet, don't worry, yet, because I have been satisfied by the activities of your hope. O goddess Aditi, I must find some means to favor you. So I am protecting, and they are protected. They are unconquerable because they are favored by Brahmanas, and Brahmanas are favored by me. So there is, I cannot do much. But you are also doing devotional service to me. I am very happy. I am very pleased. So I must your desire also. So both things I have to manage. So Krishna is saying, I must find some means to favor you. For worship of me never goes in vain. Now this is the point here. Krishna is saying, whatever it is, but you also worship me now. So anybody worships me, it is no waste. It will not go in vain, but certainly gives the desired result. Are Baba, if you worship me and did not get desired result, then what will be the point here, right? So gives the desired result according to what one deserves. What one deserves, that he will get. But according to his desire, so worship to Krishna will never go in vain, but certainly give the desired result according to what one deserves. That is why it is said, Akama Sarva Kamova Moksha Kamodardi Tibrena Bhakti Yogena Yajeta Purusham. So, if now as you have worshipped me, I am happy with you, and your desire is not fulfilled, then this sloka will be wrong. So I must fulfill your desire also. So I must find some means to favor you. Let me find out. त्वययार्चितश्चा हम पत्य गुप्तये पयोव्रतेन अनुगुणं संवितः स्वांशेन पुत्रत्वमुपेत्य ते सुतान् भोक्तास्मिन् मारीचत्तपस्य स्थितः. Twaya, by you, Archita, being worshipped, also I apatya guptaye, giving protection to your sons, Paya Vratena, by the Payovrata now, Anugunam, as far as possible, Samidita, properly worshipped, Twa Amrina, by my planning portion, Putratvam, becoming your son, Upetya, taking this opportunity to stay Sutan to your other son, Gopta, ask me, I shall give protection, Maricha, Kashyapni, Tapsi, the Ashiti, Adhishtita, Asupeti. You have prayed to me and properly worshipped me, performing the great Payovrata ceremony for the sake of protecting your sons. You have nicely did devotional service, you have prayed to me, properly worshipped me, and how? By performing Payovrata ceremony. But what was the cause? For the sake of protecting your son. So because of Kashyap Muni's austerities, I shall agree to become your son and thus protect your others. So and Krishna is saying now, I shall agree to become your son, thus protect your others. Upadhau patim matre prajapatim kalmash mam cha bhavyati patya vehurupam vastitam. Upadhava, just go worship Patim, your husband, Bhadre, gentle Prajapati, who is a Prajapati, Akalmasham, very much purified because of his austerity. Mam Mecha, as well as Bhavyati, thinking of Patya with your husband, Evam thus to come from Avasthitam, situated there. Always thinking of me as being situated in the body of your husband. Always thinking of me how as being situated within the body of your husband. Kashyap, go worship your husband, who has been purified by his worship. Netat parasma akyayam prashtyapi kathanchana sarvam sampadhyate devi devaguhyam sampratam. Na, not etat this parasma to outsiders akyayam is to be disposed prashtyapi, even though question Kathanchana, by anyone sarvam everything sampadyate becomes successful. Devi, lady, Dev Priyam, very confidential, even to the tempered. Susamritam, very carefully kept confidential. O lady, Lord is saying, O lady, even if someone inquires, you should not disclose this fact to anyone. That which is very confidential is successful if kept secret. Okay, if when some confidential thing is there and it is kept secret, then only it is successful. So don't tell that I have said that I will come to your son. Nah. Nobody should know. Otherwise, it will be revealed. Because wonderful thing he is going to. He said, "I will come as your son and protect your other sons." So here, this is another. See, Aditi is not telling that you come. Aditi asked what? She said, "You protect my sons." Okay, and how? Because they are away from their kingdom. You just do some arrangement so that they get their kingdom back. But the glory of Payovrata, the devotional service done by Aditi is so much that Krishna himself is agreeing to become son of Aditi. You see, this is the wonderful thing. Yesterday I said, na, Krishna gave extra favor to Aditi. See, other cases they asked, like Nanda, Yashoda, or Devki, was other cases they asked, they did some effort that we want Krishna as our son. But Aditi did not ask that you come as my son. She asked, he just told my desire that my sons should be given back their kingdom. That's what the desire. But Krishna is saying, I will come as your son. Because coming as a son is a very high level thing. That means he will, he's giving her as mother position, Vatsalya, right? So he said, I will come as my, as your son. So this is a great mercy given to Aditi, that Krishna himself, without even asking by Aditi, Krishna himself accepted the position of son of mother Aditi. So that's a very great benediction given to. This is extra benediction. This is extra thing. Whatever she asked, that Krishna gave anything, that Krishna gave anyway, but he gave little extra also. It's not very small. He gave himself as son to Mother Aditi. These are the glories of God. Okay, so second section over here, 11:20. 11 to 20, where Lord Vishnu reveals his plan to Aditi, that how I shall come and help you, and help you in regaining your son's kingdom. Okay,